I'm Lexi, your budget-friendly buddy, always on the lookout to help you spend your hard-earned cash the best possible way. Today, we are looking at some of the best finds you can get on Amazon this month under 100 buckaroos to help you go back to school. I know, I wouldn't want to either. But even if you're not headed back to the classroom, consider this your education in cool stuff. I'm sorry, that was terrible. I promise you the rest of the video is better than that joke. Anyway, this video is not sponsored. I have spent my hard-earned cash on all of these items to help you find the best possible buys, tested and vetted, and just helping you find some really cool stuff to make your life a little bit better. I've got links to the latest pricing and availability, plus all the descriptions of all the products down in the description. So let's get into it. When inspiration strikes and you just have to write that next great American novel, or that essay that was due last week, why not pull out a foldable Bluetooth keyboard? Now this is $37 and it's compatible with iOS, Android, and PC. It also comes with a little kickstand so you can hold your phone or your tablet in a number of different configurations, type away, and your essay is done before you know it. Now the reason I chose this one is because it's almost a full size. Yes, it takes a little bit of muscle memory just to learn the configuration of the keys because of those folds, but once you get there, and it only took me a couple of minutes, I was touch typing like there was no tomorrow. Now the battery lasts around 48 hours on a full charge. It also has a manual on-off toggle, so you know that it's not going to be draining battery unnecessarily. And it's also got an integrated touchpad on the side so you can use it to scroll your favorite website, your document, or even just Discord when you're bored of writing, and it works pretty seamlessly. The best part is it folds right away, like so, fits in a pocket or a bag when you're done. And for a size comparison, this is a Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's a big phone. This keyboard is not really much wider, and it's definitely shorter, so it's nice and compact. $37. This is coming with me everywhere. Now this next one is a real favorite of mine. It's probably one of the favorites that I've done so far in this series. It's a writing pad. No, it's not just that, it doesn't stop there. It also converts into a tablet or laptop stand so you can lean it against it. It can be in 3 different heights and configurations. And it also converts into, flip it upside down, and it's a standing desk. But it doesn't stop there. It has 2 different heights. So you can also use it when you kick back, relax, and you're trying to do work from the couch or bed. No judgment here. Now it holds up to 44 pounds, so it should be, look, it's gonna hold like your laptop. Trust me, there's no laptop that's gonna be 44 pounds, but you can put a bunch of books on it. It's not gonna collapse at all. It's super, super sturdy. It's also got magnets that help it lock into place in all of these different configurations. Now, look, this is not exactly cheap. It's $90, but this episode, we're spending a little bit more money. We're going up to $100. So I had to include this one because it's truly the most portable multifunction desk that you can buy. It looks and feels fairly premium. Everything feels sturdy, like I mentioned. And honestly, you can move this from bedroom to dorm room to even classroom if you wanted. So I think it's $90 well spent. Now, I'm sure you're using the standing desk to write your really important essays, make those really cool films, but you are gonna need to back that stuff up. And what better way to do it than with a portable SSD? But look, this is not your normal SSD. It actually has an integrated fingerprint sensor in it to protect your data from prying eyes, or I guess in this case, prying fingers. The capacity of this one is 500 gigabytes, but of course, there are higher capacity storage options, but they are more than $100. I really like it because it's super compact. It comes with 2 cables, a USB-C to USB-A and a USB-C to C, so you can connect to whatever device that you have. Uses USB 3.2, so transfer speeds are going to be pretty snappy indeed. And it's compatible with Mac, PC, and Android. The setup is pretty simple. I would say if you are on a Mac, there is probably like one extra step that you'll have to do on say Big Sur and later, which is to make sure your system preferences will allow the installation of the software that will help make the fingerprint sensor work. You can register up to 4 fingerprints, either yours or those of your friends if you want to share the drive around. And it's so slim and compact. Even if you don't get this particular one, just get an external hard drive. Trust me, you don't want those tears when something goes wrong. I've been there, we've all been there. Back up your stuff. This is the Rocketbook Core. It's a smart, reusable notebook for $27. With this included special pen, it's a Pilot friction pen. It works with any of those pens from the range. Once you're done with the page or the contents of the notebook, you just grab your phone, snap each page, and then upload that to either the cloud, Google Drive, Slack, send yourself an email, and it can even do optical character recognition or OCR, so all of your notes are transcribed from your handwriting into text. Now the scan quality from the phone is actually really good. The OCR is decent as well. Again, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna depend on the quality and the legibility of your handwriting. Once you're done writing out your really important notes, grab a little bit of water and this cloth and wipe it away. Look, if I had this at school and college, just think of the notebooks that I would have saved. I could have just taken my notes, snapped my photos, and then wiped it all clean. Honestly, saving the trees is all right by me. Now, speaking of paper, sometimes there's just no way to get around it. So for those times, may I present to you a $12 staple-free stapler. Look, am I like really behind the times or something? I had no idea this existed. Here is a literally dog ate my homework notepad. And how many sheets have we got here? Let's count. 5 sheets. Okay, get those nice and organized. Here we go. 5 sheets of paper. Staple away. Look at that. Fully stapled and secure. Look, not high tech, probably lowest tech item on this entire list, but I love it. Now, to anyone heading away to college, or maybe you just want to brighten up your home space, this is the Govee Aura Smart Lamp. Now, it's got 16 million colors, has full button control at the top, and it also has, of course, voice control, so it can connect to your Amazon or Google voice assistant. Not going to say the names, so I don't invoke yours. Now, you've probably noticed there's a countless array of similar styled like smart lamps on Amazon. So why this one? Well, it of course got that 16 million colors that I talked about, but it has a range of different modes. Not only can you cycle through these solid colors, but with the app control and also with the button control, you can also make it look like a really cool retro lava lamp. Or you can even use the integrated microphone and the lamp will bounce along with the sound of your voice or the music that you're playing. And there are so many different options to dive into on that app on iOS and Android that I'm really not able to do it a full service in this really quick slot. I've loved using this, and honestly, it's brightened up my entire office space so much. It is $60. You can also use it as a traditional dimmable lamp. So, you know, if you just want different white color temperatures, you can totally do that too. And it also has a sunrise and sunset feature. So you can use it to drift off to sleep or wake up feeling refreshed to pretend that you're lying on a beach somewhere instead of a stinky old dorm room. Okay, where would a back to school list be without some noise cancelling headphones? But these aren't no ordinary headphones with ANC, because these are designed specifically for the young ones. And because my mental age is 5 years old, I chose the pirate ones. They're called the Buddyphones Cosmos headphones, and they actually have a lot in common with normal adult ANC headphones, including these soft padded cups. They also have controls on the side, including the ability to turn on and off a study mode, plus volume limiting controls. So if you're wondering if your kid is listening to music way too loud, well, this will actually stop them. It's got 3 levels, 75, 85, and 94 decibels. So you can make sure that they're not blasting their favorite Wiggles songs too loud. The best part about these is that they're actually really comfy, and as you can tell, you can steal them as an adult and wear them too. I was wearing them for an extended period of time yesterday and really loved the sound quality on these for the price. Look, it's not bad at all. It's got a pretty good bass response when you're not in that study mode, and I just genuinely enjoyed using these. They also come with a hard carrying case as well as an audio cable. They can be used when you don't have any battery left in the headphones, which is great news. And it's got a boom mic. Come in, come in. Yes, I am 5. Sometimes you just have to get your kids away from the screen, and there's no more important time to do that than at bedtime. And that's where something like the Morphe meditation device comes in. So it's got 3 different dials. The one on the left is to use to change your actual program or the type of meditation that you want to do. The dial on the right is to choose the particular session. There are 8 available from each meditation session. And then the one on the bottom is for duration, 8 or 20 minutes. Oh, did I mention there's a male and female voice, and it comes in 3 different languages, English, French, and Spanish in the one device? Let's take a listen.
Welcome to your 8-minute coastal breathing nap. Get comfortably settled, free of tension. You are in the present moment, as though settling yourself into a bubble of relaxation.
It also has some relaxing sounds too, if that's more your jam. Barbados. And there's a 3.5mm audio jack if you're not a fan of waking up whoever else is in the bedroom, so you can listen on headphones. Look, not the cheapest device on this list. It is $99, but I wanted to end it on this for good reason, because sometimes you've just got to get electronics and screens and phones out of your life, out of the bedroom, especially when you want to relax. And if you'll excuse me, I'm just going to drift away. Join me. That's not a weird cult thing or anything. I just wanted you to chill. So there you have it, some of my favorite Amazon must-haves under $100 to help you get back to school. But if there's something from this list that you thought needed to be included that wasn't, would love to hear from you. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know which one of these was your favorites. And of course, you can find the links to the prices and the actual products in the description below. Don't stop there, because there's more of Amazon must-haves to check out from previous months. Go check out that playlist. It's also in the description and floating around somewhere in the ether. You can hit me up on social if you have any questions about the rest of these products, and have a wonderful day. See ya!